All right, so today's fix comes with a quick detour because somewhere between debugging this driver issue and recording this episode, I stumbled onto something that has nothing to do with fixing your PC and honestly, everything to do with what you could build using it. Now, here's what actually stopped me mid scroll. Made me stop and actually think about it. What if you didn't need a camera or a mic or even your own face to run a channel like this one? That's basically the pitch behind today's sponsor, lipsync.video. And actually, funny enough, that clip you just saw of me a second ago, that wasn't me sitting here recording. That was an avatar built off a single photo generated right here on this platform. It's one of those all in one AI video tools sitting entirely in your browser, nothing to install, nothing to set up. You can build an avatar from a photo, clone your own voice once and reuse it forever, turn a still image into a full talking video, or go the other way and generate entire videos from scratch using some of the bigger AI models out there. All of it lives on one tab, which, if you've ever had to juggle 5 different tools just to make one video, you already know how rare that is. All right, so in short, this is what turns you into a proper creator. Whether that's comedy videos, copying motion straight from another video onto your own image using some genuinely top tier models, animal talking podcasts, a normal podcast, an AI avatar for a faceless channel, or just a normal vlogging style UGC video for Instagram or wherever else you post. And the method is simple. First, you need a prompt for your avatar. So head over to Claude or ChatGPT, whichever you prefer. Personally, I lean toward Claude since I find it a bit more human friendly and it understands you better even if you're explaining things in your own mother tongue. Just describe what you want, as much detail as you can give it, and it hands you back a prompt. Once you've got that, go back to LipSync into the AI avatar section. And by the way, every section on this platform works basically the same way. So if you stick with this video till the end, you'll pick up the basics of every tool here. From this section, you can either upload a reference photo if you have one, or just run with the prompt alone and hit generate. That takes you to the next page, where if you do have a reference photo, you can add up to 5 of them for a stronger identity match and a better overall result. After that comes aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9, though you can pick whatever suits you, then hit generate again. Once your avatar photo is ready, download it, then click on Talking Avatar in the left side panel. From here, you can upload a photo, pick one of the pre-made options, or use the one we just generated. Then you've got 3 choices. Type in the script you want your avatar to say, upload an audio file, or record your own if you've got a mic. I'm going with upload audio since I already had a voice clip ready. There's also a subtitle option here if you want one. I'm skipping it for now. And then it's just generate. While that's rendering, let me fill you in on something useful. Right now, just browsing the site for the first time gets you 15 free credits, and signing up unlocks a few extra rewards and a daily credit top-up on top of that. There's also a daily visit streak. Day 1 gets you 30 credits, Day 2 bumps that to 35, and by Day 6, you're sitting at 55. Most of the features here are cheap to run, so honestly, it's worth giving a shot. Anyway, here's what actually came out of it. All right, so today's fix comes with a quick detour because somewhere between debugging this driver issue and recording this episode, and that's really it. Trends like the baby podcast thing or animals having full conversations, all of that is running on the exact same kind of model, and it barely costs anything to try. Links in the description, go check it out.